going on, guys? It's Z back here once again with another review, and today I bring you the Garmin Index Smart Scale. I went online today and made an impromptu decision to buy this $150 scale because I'm trying to ramp up my training, get back into doing triathlons, doing marathons, half marathons. Haven't done a marathon yet, but I'm trying to work myself up to that. I really need to start paying attention to what I'm eating, how I'm training, and I think to do that, I need to have a more structured way of viewing my results as opposed to just doing workouts, eating healthy, and then, just sort of stepping on the existing plain old scale that I have now and seeing, did I lose weight? How much fat percentage do I have? What's my BMI? How much water weight do I have? I don't know any of that right now, and I think by getting this, it's going to enable me to sort of adjust my training accordingly. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing. All right, here we are. Here's the front of the box, basically just showing you that it is a Garmin device, and then it just shows you the various features that it has. So obviously it's a scale, it does weight, body mass index, body fat percentage, body water percentage, muscle mass, and bone mass. Being a Garmin device, I bought this mostly because it can pair perfectly with my Forerunner 935 watch, so whenever I do workouts, it's going to basically record everything and put everything onto my Garmin Connect app, which will then sync with this, so everything's going to be syncing together. It's going to help me get very accurate readings for all of my workouts, for my training, make sure that I'm staying on track. Going on to the side here, just shows pretty much the same thing that was on the front, some more graphics. Coming onto the back, we see more information from the front, and then it just shows you that this is a Connect compatible device. Let's flip it over and open it up. So the first thing you're going to see is your little quick start guide, Garmin Index Smart Scale Manual. And then we have, I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm just going to sort of rip this right open. And here's the scale. So I already smudged it up, but this is the scale itself. It's actually got some weight to it. It's got a nice gloss to it. Obviously you can see the camera and the reflection. It's got Garmin written right across the top there. This is sort of like a brushed aluminum with a little embossed Garmin logo. Let's look at the bottom. It has these little rubber studs on each end to keep it from sliding when it's on your tile or your hardwood floors. In the center, we have a reset button followed by ST, LB, and KG, which is going to be your kilograms, your pounds, and then I have no clue what the ST is. They also provide you with some batteries. These are Maxell alkaline batteries. It says that this particular battery will last you about 9 months before you have to put new batteries in, so thank you very much to Garmin for supplying batteries. And then finally, we have some more studs for the bottom of the device itself. I'm guessing if you are not going to be using the scale on a hardwood floor or a tile floor like in your bathroom, you could probably use these if you're going to be on carpet. I didn't read through the manual yet, but I'm assuming that this is probably very important because obviously if the scale can't properly balance and be level, it's not going to get an accurate measurement of you. So definitely if you're going to be using your scale on anything other than a hardwood floor or a tile floor, probably going to want to pop these bad boys onto the bottom of your scale. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but there's some very faint lines running in a cross formation throughout the scale. These are only present on this model from my knowledge. I think the white version does not have them. I think it sort of just blends in with the white color scheme. Go ahead and pop these batteries in. Alright, so let's get to setting this thing up. We're going to go on to the Garmin Connect app. Once we're on here, we're going to go into More, followed by Garmin Devices, and then you're going to see if you have any existing devices such as my Forerunner, that'll be there. If you have a different watch or another device, you'll see it. They're going to go to Add Device, and it's going to say set up your Garmin device in a few short steps, and then we're going to go to Browse All Compatible Devices. It says after inserting the 4 AA batteries or pressing the button on the top of the scale, the display will show a wrench icon on the screen. We saw that. and the Wi-Fi, ANT, and Bluetooth icons will blink, which it currently is, as you can see. This means your scale is ready to pair, so let's hit start. Device found, awesome. Do you want to pair with Index Smart Scale? Yes, we do. Pairing complete, that was really quick. Let's hit done. Let's put my name in, put in Z, and then we're gonna go to, I'm 5'8", 177. Well, that's what I was back when I first edited my Garmin Connect. Let's see what it is now. We're about to find out how fat I got. So it says, press the button on the bottom of the scale to restart setup. The scale is ready when the Wi-Fi, ANT, and Bluetooth icons on the display start to blink. So the scale, it's not showing that wrench anymore. It says 0.0 and then pounds. They said you should just be able to touch it. Oh, look at that. It's adjusting with as I put my hands on it. So yeah, all right, let's give it a try. Let's put it on the floor and see how much I weigh and all my metrics. I'm excited to try this out. Let's go. So I just pulled my app up. I wanted to see if it would actually update in real time, and it did, which is actually really cool. 173.9 pounds, that's my overall weight. And then I go into my BMI, 26.4. Body fat, 21%. Skeletal muscle mass, 74.5 pounds. Bone mass, 11.6 pounds. Body water, 57.6%. Alright, so first impressions of the Garmin Index Smart Scale. I love it. I think this thing is going to completely revolutionize the way that I train. And it's going to be really cool to see my results firsthand as opposed to just jumping on a normal scale and just seeing your weight change, because it doesn't really do much. So who do I think this is for? I think this is really for anybody. You don't have to be a triathlete or you know, a marathon runner or somebody that's really into fitness. This scale can be for people who are just trying to get back into shape, people who are just trying to live a healthy, balanced life, and they may want those metrics, or maybe you have a medical condition. This is perfect. For 150 bucks, you really can't go wrong with this. If you already have Garmin devices, it's only going to make your life easier. Overall looks of it, it's a normal scale. I think it's definitely modern looking. I think it's cool if you just have it in your bathroom or your bedroom. It's not going to take up really any space. Definitely recommend this product. I'm really excited to start training and tracking my progress, and I'm definitely going to take you guys along the road with me. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please remember to rate, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos weekly, and leave a comment below if you see yourself buying this device, or if you see yourself buying any competitors out there. I'd love to hear your feedback, get a comparison going, maybe in the future if I see something else. But for now, thank you so much once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.